The first one is for sure the international environment. We are around 20 different nationalities in my class, and this is not just a great opportunity of getting to know new cultures, but it's also a first test on how to deal and work every day with people coming from different backgrounds and nationalities. This is very likely the kind of environment we'll have in our future jobs. The second one is having some professors that are also professionals with great backgrounds in sports management. This feature allows the students not just to learn on a theoretical level, but also through the experience and the example from these professionals. Last but not least, Monaco itself is a great asset. It's not just a rare opportunity of networking with people working in the field we are interested to, but also in general a great experience of living some months in one of the most dynamic and fast-growing environments in the world. So, sport has always meant a lot to me. Since I was a child, I've been practicing many different sports, football and tennis as the main ones, but always enjoying to watch and play many other sports. Sport is not just about being healthy from a physical and mental point of view. Sport has the unique power to convey some important values such as loyalty, friendship, mutual respect, fairness, commitment, hard work. I believe that learning, experiencing and sharing all these kind of values while growing up plays a big role in the personal development of every human being.